Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana, the saucy chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Tombstone French fry style crust pizzas. The first one that I have is the loaded bacon cheddar. It says gooey cheddar cheese sauce, mozzarella, cheddar, bacon on a potato crust pizza made with real cheese. The second one I have is the chili cheese. It has hamburger, chili cheese sauce, mozzarella, cheddar, red onion, and parsley on a potato crust pizza. This one is also made with real cheese. It also says the crunch on the crust is crunchy outside and soft on the inside. Okay guys, so this is what the loaded cheddar bacon looks like, and this is what the chili cheese looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and set my oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to pop them in there for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, they're out the oven. This is the chili cheese. It looks pretty good. And here I have the bacon cheddar. That one looks good also. Guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give the bacon cheddar a taste. Okay guys, so this one is pretty good. I actually like it. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the bottom is crispy, and then right underneath the topping it's like soft, like a french fry would be on the inside. So yeah, this is good. I really like it. Okay guys, next I have the chili cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and taste this one. This is the one I've been waiting for. Okay guys, so this one is pretty good. You get a nice chili flavor. It's super cheesy and you can taste the onion. So this one is good also. 1 to 10, I would give this an 8, and I would give the bacon cheddar an 8.5. Okay guys, overall, Tombstone did a really good job on these. The flavors are there, and they're really pretty good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?